What is RWD? Well, that's responsive web design. That means the framework that is used to build the functionality works on any device type, any size, etc. And there's no limitation on the functionality. You get the same thing in the desktop that you get on your mobile device. And the other benefit is you're not building a traditional app. You're not saying these are the things we want in there. You're giving full access, full parity of the technology or the tools that are available on your web version, available in any browser, any size. This means you can jump right in from your own brand's app, if you have your own app, into an RWD framework much easier. You get an icon that has your brand on it, just like an app that a user uses on their phone to launch into this, and you can even connect your devices to count steps or measure fitness. We'd love to show you more. Reach out and request a demo.